So one year in the garden, I decided to make my own garden signs, and I wanted to use duct tape. So I went and got a bunch of different colors and made duct tape sheets and flags out of them. And I used them one year and they were okay, so-so, but it was too much work for a little payoff. But I found all these extras that I did, and to solve last year's problem of forgetting what I planted where I planted it, I'm just going to cut strips out of these and go tape them on to the cages that they're on, just so it reminds me of what I'm about to harvest. So, I don't know, redneck engineering at its finest. So, got all my strips made, and I'm thinking of how to attach them to my various trellises and whatever. Something cheap, something simple. When we find paper clips. So, I mean, I don't expect these to last through a year, so just feed the paper clip through duct tape there, and got a makeshift hook. There you go. Alright, here's how my flags are going to work. Got my label here. It's a gold bell pepper. Got the paper clip in it. Right over the fence there. And just twist it around just like that. So wind can't blow it off or nothing. So there we go. There you go.